Hi guys! Nandito na pala kami sa El Nido. Kahapon yung day 1 namin. So kahapon, pinick up kami sa Puerto Princesa. And nagbiyahe kami ng 6 hours papunta dito sa El Nido. So today is our day 2, December 23, 2024. Free day namin today. Wala kaming activities. So magpapahinga lang kami today and papalaundry ng mga damit since galing kami ng Balabac. And mag-iikot-ikot lang kami ngayon. Magsistay pala kami sa Novis Tourist Inn for 6 days and 5 nights. Yan guys, yung view dito sa Novis. And update ko na lang kayo guys sa mga susunod na vlogs kung ano yung itinerary namin dito sa El Nido. Guys, di ko pala na-mention na nag-book kami sa JY Travel and Tours. So, 19,998 for 2 packs, 6 days and 5 nights with breakfast. And yung lunch included din kapag may tour. Kapag free day, wala. Of course, yung dinner din hindi kasama. Ganda naman dito. Ito yung hotel. Ganda. Saan? Thank you po. Thank you. Ganda. Wow. Bango. CR. Ganda. Ganda na siya. Ito pala guys yung Novis. Novis. Kahanap kami ng makakainan. Lunch. Food. Lunch namin guys, sinigang tsaka Bicol Express. May mga canteen naman dito guys, tsaka restaurant. May mga tindahan din. Pwede kayong bumili ng tubig. Syria. Ito pala yung mga ano.
Para makatrabaho ka kagad.
Sarap. Ice cream, oh. Platter, oh. Pwede tayo dun sa ano.
Uy, ang ganda.
Dun tayo sa ano. Doon tayo magbukas, mahal.
Oo.
Sa town
May
proper,
ano
para-
nga, may nagsisimi nga. Ganda. Ah. Su. Hi. 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 Laki mo ah. Ganda. Low tide. Mas okay sa tongue dropper.
Pag di tayo ng tongue proper.
Oh,
Tanong ko kung pwedeng makalipat.
Okay lang din, para di tayo akyat. Akyat ba ba? Medyo mataas
Hindi,
din.
akit din tayo doon. Pero kasi wala masyadong nakaraan.
Mm. Uulan na naman. Doon yung Novice guys. Punta din ang commercial life. Tapos doon kami pumunta. Yung may beach. Tapos may mga kainan dyan. Ang ulan. Tara. Hindi tayong tubig. Ha? Oo. Papaihaw kami guys. Sa'yo ito 'di ba pork? Sa akin isda. Tapos yun yung ano namin, accommodation. Sa tapat na. Tawag ko na tawag. Kain guys. Inihaw. Sarap kumain. Taday kumain. Hi guys! Good morning! Today is our day 3 here sa El Nido and nakapag-breakfast na din kami guys and ready na. So today mag-tour B kami and yung destinations namin magsi-Snake Island kami, Kadugnon Cave, Papaya Island, Cathedral Cave and Talula Island. So yun yung mga pupuntahan namin today guys. And yung pick up namin is 8:30 AM to 9 AM. So, bababa na rin kami guys. And mag-aantay na rin kami sa van. Yun lang guys, update ko kayo ulit later. Ganda! Pababa na kami ng sasakyan guys. Ganda! Grabe laki. Kasabay pala natin itong tatlo.
Tayo ka ng tour C.
Torsi. Ito yung pinakamahal.
Talaga, 1-3 lang binayad mo.
Oh, 1-3. Yung iba kasi 1-2.
Ay, ganon? Tour B ata, 1-3. Baka 1-3 siningin sa akin kanina, baka yun nga. Sinabi na pala sa'yo, no?
Oo.
Hindi ko kasi alam.
Agape. Agape po. Hindi nabasa sa
Sa taas.
Asa.
Okay, so welcome to El Nido and welcome aboard to our boat. So MBC Faith Agape number 2. Okay, so please always remember the name of our boat because in the island there's a lot of boats, different size, different color, and different name. So always remember Faith Agape number 2. Okay?
Okay.
So before we start, ma'am sir, I want to introduce my name and also my company. So my name is Jericho Rosales. I'm your tour guide in the whole day. And also I have a good tour guide from Meco Tourism, Kuya Ernie. Good morning.
Morning.
And also I have another good tour guide, Kuya Alex. Morning. And also we have a lifeguard at the back, Kuya Jack and Kuya. Ano sa pangalan? Kita ka na Lisa? Rex. And also we have a lifeguard here. Paano niya?
Arlan.
Arlan. Okay, we have a 3 lifeguard here on the boat. And also please meet our handsome captain, aka Jack Sparrow, Captain Chris. Okay, so everyone is going Torsi, right? Torsi.
Yes.
So Torsi is composed of 5 destinations. There's a Helicopter Island, Hidden Beach, Secret Beach, Matinloc Shrine, and Talisay Beach for lunch. Okay? So I want to remind you everyone that Matinloc Shrine is a private place. That's why there's entrance fee if you wanna go there. But that's optional. If you wanna go there, you need to pay 300 pesos per person. Per person, 300 pesos.
Matinlo.
Matinloc Shrine. Yes, that's a abandoned church. Yeah. But that's optional. So, and I want to remind you also that the Secret Beach is not allowed to go there now because it's so wavy right there. It's a part of open sea. So it's Secret Beach. There's a small hole. If you want to go there inside, there's a lot of waves. The hole is covered by the water. That's why it's dangerous to go there. Okay, so to complete the 5 destination, we're gonna replace that place. And also the Matinloc Shrine if you wanna go. So you wanna go on Matinloc Shrine? You're willing to pay 300 pesos?
No?
Or we're gonna replace that also?
Replace it.
Okay. So we're gonna replace that. So, ma'am sir, so the Coast Guard tell us that the door is until 3 p.m. only. So we need to go back there before 3 p.m. Okay? So our first destination this morning is Cadlao Lagoon. That's one of the replacement to the other destination. Okay? What's the name of the next one? Cadlao Lagoon. Yeah. That's a kayaking activity. Okay, so everyone is a first timer? First timer? So El Nido is a protected area. That's why there's a rules and regulation that we need to be followed. So first, avoid throwing the garbage in the ocean, especially the plastic or plastic bottle. There's a trash can at the back, or you can put under your chair. We're gonna collect that later after the tour. Okay? And second, when we are at the beach or the island, so it's not allowed to collecting anything like a shell, coral, sand, even a stone as our souvenir. So it's not allowed to collect that. Okay? And when we are at the swimming or the snorkeling area, so avoid step on the corals. Because sometimes in the corals, there's a poisonous animal like a surgeon. You know surgeon?
Yes.
And stonefish, crown of thorns or stingray. So avoid step on the corals. Okay? And second, fourth, so the rental or your rental goggles or aqua shoes, just take care of that. Because if you lost that or you can damage that, you need to pay 1,500. Okay? So our first destination is Cadlao Lagoon. Maybe our travel like 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, thank you for listening and have a nice day and God bless us all.
Sa Cadlao Lagoon na kami. Ganda.
Kaya ano, assistant. Kaya dito rin sila nag-enjoy natin. Hindi ko napuntahan last.
Hi guys, update lang. Nandito na kami sa Cadlao Lagoon. Hindi kami natuloy guys mag-tour B. So nag-tour C kami today. Usually kasi lagi daw nakaka-cancel yung tour C, kaya ito yung inuna instead na yung tour B. So yung destinations namin today, Hidden Beach kami, Helicopter Island, Talisay Beach. And hindi kami makakapunta sa Matinloc Shrine tsaka Secret Beach. So yung pinalit yung Cadlao Lagoon tsaka Star Beach. So yung first destination namin is Cadlao Lagoon. So yung view guys. So dito pwede kayo mag-sightseeing, kayaking, tsaka picture taking. Tapos may tinda rin palang buko doon guys. Pwede kayo bumili ng drinks. And update ko kayo ulit later, guys.
Pero dito, ano dito? Dito lang po, sa gilid. Ito, ang gilid ha, mababaw lang.
Beach?
Ang pangalan po ng beach, Star Beach.
Star Beach.
The name of the beach, Star Beach.
Okay, Star Beach to guys. Akala ko Starfish. Star
Akala ko
Beach
nga din.
din. Beach pala. Star Beach. So dito guys, mag-snorkel.
Pwede rin sa beach.
Oo. Pwede rin sightseeing. Let's go.
Ano kalalim dito ko? Mababaw lang.
Sabay, ang lang.
Kapay.
At yummy. Wow. Sarap. Tapos na kami mag-lunch guys dito sa Star Beach. Ito yung ganda. Oh, ayun ka. Oh. Wow. Ganda. Ganda guys. Ang ganda dito.
Hapon sila eh.
Ganda din. Ang ganda. Lakas ng alon. Sobra. Ang ganda ko.
Ito yung version natin ng snowman. Pag sa snow, nagkagaling.
Sa ating ganito. Floating. Oh, lakas ng alon ng konti.
Pero pag may alon, limited ka ng konti. Hindi ka makakapag.
Ngayon tayo sa Agape ko na. Lalo pa na.
Siya! Diba? Ano, kanta?
Kakatapos lang namin guys mag-snorkel. Pagod. Ito yung view ng Helicopter Island. Hi guys, update lang. Nandito na pala kami sa accommodation namin. 4 PM na. And ayun, tapos na yung itinerary namin today towards sea. And nag-tricycle din pala kami pabalik. Ayun, hindi pala kasama sa sa package yung ihahatid kayo ng service papunta sa accommodation. So far okay naman yung tour namin today. Na-enjoy naman kami. Buti nakisama din yung panahon, hindi sobrang malaki yung alon. And umambon pero sakto lang, saglit lang. Yun lang guys, update ko kayo ulit tomorrow.